ZXT battery-operated strapping tools from Optimax are fast and versatile, suited to a wide range of applications. Ergonomic, balanced design and a total weight of only 3.5 kilograms makes it the lightest battery-powered strapping tool currently available and provides comfortable single-handed operation even when strapping vertically or horizontally on the side of a load. The standard ZXT is easily adjusted to take either 12 or 16 mm strapping by reversing the strap guides, and features a patented gripper design that allows strap tensioning up to a maximum of 250 kilograms. The high-tension ZXT is similarly adjusted between 16 and 19 mm strapping and delivers strap tensioning up to an impressive 400 kilograms. Brushless motor technology gives the ZXT the highest power-to-weight ratio in its class, consuming less power and having a longer service life due to reduced wear while delivering higher torque for greater strap tension. Strap feeding is extremely simple, with both straps being fed simultaneously into the tool. The strap is then tensioned, sealed, and cut within seconds. Preset tension increments enable the optimum setting for an application to be selected, and consistent results achieved. With the ZXT manual tensioning feature, the strap can be sufficiently tightened, allowing edge protectors to be easily inserted yet held firmly in place. Then tensioning is resumed to complete the operation. The soft start function protects packages from damage or destabilization that can be caused by rapid tensioning. On the ZXT digital control panel are two settings marked PET and PP. These are primarily to allow the operator to store optimum tension settings for polyester and polypropylene strapping, but can also be used for two different tension requirements using the same type of strapping. The sealing time can also be adjusted to allow for differences in strap type and thickness. Another feature of the ZXT strapping tool is the anti-abrasion wheel that gives added protection against abrasive wear to the underside of the tool casing. The ZXT is the first ever 18-volt strapping tool on the market. Securely mounted in the battery housing, the 3 amp-hour high-capacity lithium-ion battery provides increased productivity and operates in a wider range of ambient temperatures. With a total recharge time of 30 minutes, the battery may also be top-up charged before it is completely discharged, without affecting battery performance or lifespan. ZXT battery-operated strapping tools from Optimax. Optimum quality, maximum reliability.